How to hide caller ID on iPhone. In this video, we will be learning how to hide your caller ID in your iPhone from others. For that, first of all, you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you will see Phone application. Simply tap on it. Then there you will see caller ID option. Simply go through it and toggle off that button. This setting might not be available in all regions or with all carriers. So, if you don't see it in your settings, check with your carrier for support. In this way, you can easily hide caller ID on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.